Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for joining in. This side, Rahul Magan here as the Chief Executive Officer of Treasury Consulting LLP. And today we are going to covering another video which is on gold, GOLD. So gold is a commodity which is always in the highlight, and especially I think that 2017 would be a year when gold would continue to be in the highlight because of the Donald Trump. Because you very well understand that Donald Trump is taking up shape now, and we had a lot of videos which we described, how the dollar index would look like in others. This is going to be a very short video, 4 to 5 minutes video, in which I would like to stress the fact that the gold would act as a hedge currency against dollar in year 2017. In my personal opinion, that gold would move up, especially from this. Currently you can very well see that it is blinking. So gold would move up from 1203 to roughly, I would say, 1225 and 1250, from where I think it is a sell call. I'm not saying that this sell call would be 100% perfect, but I think that all the traders, those who have the capability of taking a stop loss position, I think those you should sell gold at 1220 1250. In my personal opinion, by the end of January, the dollar index will move to 102.5 or approximately 103 something. 102 is something which is sure. From where we will see a little decline in the gold. So from 1225 or 1230, we will see that it went down to, say, it would get down to roughly 1200, it would get down to 180 and 170. From where I can see that we can book our positions, right, and we can reverse our position and we can book the profit. This is a very interesting thing, and I think this is something which we need to see. If you look at the right side of your corner, you will get to know that I will talk straight to volatility. That 1 month volatility for gold is roughly 10.5%. 12 months is roughly 13.5. Sorry, 6 months is roughly 13.5. 1 year is approximately 17%, and 3 years is roughly 16%. I think that year 2017 gold would continue to maintain the volatility level of I would say approximately 15 to 16%. I would see that there would be a time when gold would move up to 1300 during Trump administration, because it would be very difficult for Trump to take up money from the market, because US is already facing high debt to GDP ratio. I don't think that it would be easy for Trump to arrange money for infra programs which he already announced, to be very honest. So I think here we'll see a little decline in the value of the gold, and since we see there's a little decline in the value of the gold, so we would surely see that dollar would we will be sorry we'll see a little decline in the value of the gold, little decline in the value of the dollar. We will see the gold would move up. So what I really want to say that I think the time has come when we should try and think selling gold, as it is blinking right up front of your screen at 12:50. While at the same time we should maintain approximately a buy position at 1115 or 1120. This is something which we need to see. At the same time, I also would like to add that gold will not surely touch 1400 this year 2017. I don't see that. But yes, that I surely see that gold will continue to maintain a proximity around $1,300, which something I see that maybe twice in 2017 gold would surely touch 1300. Gold future is something which I think we should buy, and all the traders who are watching this video, I think that they should create a range forward in gold, whereby you should go for buy put and sell call. I think that gold is a currency which can be maintained using both strip and strap. I think it depends upon the view. Like, I am bullish on gold. I'm not very bullish, but little bullish on gold. So I think I'm going with strap. But there might be an opinion that people will go for strip also. So that is something which we need to see. At the same time, we can also maintain a range forward position in the gold. This is something which we can look forward. This is very interesting thing which is happening around gold. And I think gold would continue to move up, up, up. This is a very interesting thing since we need to see the gold. This was about the gold, and all the people who are watching this, I think gold futures turning out to be a very good opportunity to trade in 2017. But at the same time, I seriously don't think that gold ETF is anyways an opportunity for people to trade in India. At least in during 2017, gold ETFs, I don't think it would surely work. I think the gold future will surely work. So let's hope that how things would be moving, and I seriously see that 2017 would be the year when gold would continue to maintain volatility level of over 16 to 17%. This is something which we seriously need to see, and 16-17% is something I see that gold would continue to maintain. With this, I would like to thank you very much, and thank you for watching our channel. Tomorrow we are covering up, this week we are in fact covering up with very good videos about option strategies, wherein we would be covering calendar spreads, butterfly spreads. I think we are targeting butterfly spreads this time, and when probably by uh, probably by end of this week we would be covering few good videos about caplets and florets as well, which is about interest rate. So we thank you very much, and have a nice time ahead. Before closing this video, we would like to tell you that the January 2017 version of Maverick Treasury is already out. You can buy that. This is a dedicated magazine on foreign exchange, treasury, and risk management. At the same time, I would like to stress the fact that we wish to export our magazine very soon out of India, and we are working in that regards, and things have already started. Hopefully very soon we would give you a very good news that the Maverick Treasure is available in a physical form, not only in India but outside India as well. Thank you and have a good night.